A very warm welcome to your general knowledge class. Let us study chapter 16 Metro System today. Before we start the chapter, let us understand what is a metro system. A system of public transportation using elevated or underground trains or a combination of both is a metro system. It helps to reduce the road traffic. In 1800, London was the world's largest and the most prosperous town. So, it faced a major problem of severe traffic congestion with carts, hawkers, cows, etc. And this completely jammed the roads. Charles Pearson was a genius who first thought of putting the railways under the ground. This would reduce the load of traffic on the roads. And this marked the beginning of the metro systems. So let us learn about some interesting metro trains. Metros, also known as subways, are an easy and economical means of transport in cities. The government closely monitors the metros to ensure their safety, security and cleanliness. So children, now we have to recognize the following metro systems by their descriptions. Write their names in the given blank spaces using the help box. The first picture is of the London Underground metro system. It is the first and the oldest metro system in the world, and it started way back in 1863. As the name suggests, this is an underground metro system. Digging a hole under the city and putting a railroad under it looked like an impossible dream. Most people thought that the project, which cost more than $100 million in today's money, would never work, but it did. On 10th January 1863, 30,000 people travelled on the world's first subway on a 4-mile stretch of land in London. The city's officials were much relieved as they were trying hard to reduce the terrible traffic jam on the roads of London. Now let's see how this was made possible. They used a machine called the Great Head Shield. A team of just 12 workers could bore through the earth and make deep underground tunnels. These tunnels were more than 25 meters under the surface. These trains were also known as tubes, and they were able to burrow under the London River, the River Thames. Don't you think, children, this is an interesting thing? The second picture is of Dubai Metro. It is the longest driverless metro network in the world, and its length is 74.69 kilometers or 75 kilometers approximately. The Dubai Metro is a rapid transit rail network system in Dubai. All Dubai Metro trains are fully automated and driverless. The metro is well known for high levels of safety, punctuality, and overall customer satisfaction. There are 47 stations divided on the red and green line of this fastest driverless metro system. The metro speed reaches 90 kilometers per hour. It offers its passengers full phone coverage and a free Wi-Fi service. With over 3,000 surveillance cameras, the highest level of security is guaranteed to its passengers. Passengers can plan their metro journey through Wuhati Smart application and enjoy the amazing view of Dubai from the comfort of their seats at Dubai Metro. When traveling in Dubai Metro, one can see beautiful surroundings. This has been possible only through the conscious efforts of the government of Dubai. It is interesting to know that the buildings overlooking the elevated sections of Dubai Metro received official notices to undertake maintenance and beautification work of their exteriors. All this has been done to make sure that the commuter experiences beautiful views in the Dubai Metro. The third picture is of the New York City subway. It is the metro system with the largest number of stations in the world. It has 468 stations. The NYC is a rapid transit system that opened on 27th October 1904. The system has operated 24/7 service every day of the year throughout most of its history, barring emergencies and disasters. It is one of the most complex and the most used metro systems of the world. The fourth picture is of the Seoul subway. It is the metro system with the world's longest route length, that is 975.4 kilometers. The Seoul subway is a metropolitan railway system consisting of 22 rapid transit, light metro, commuter rail and people mover lines located in northwest South Korea. The fifth picture that we see is the densest metro system in the world. That is 245 stations in 86.9 square kilometer area. The Paris metro is so dense that no place in the French capital is more than 400 meters away from a station. It is considered as one of the safest metro stations in the world. The first fully automated train was introduced to the Paris metro in 2011. It is interesting to know that many stations are designed in a theme, like Concorde, which has the words from the Declaration of the Rights of Man from the French Revolution, and Arts et Métiers looks like a submarine, and Bastille has historic scenes marking the start of the French Revolution. These interesting facts definitely make me want to take a journey to the Paris metro. What about you? The sixth picture shows us the Guangzhou metro. It is the metro system with the fastest speed in the world, 135 kilometers an hour. The Guangzhou metro is the rapid transit system of the city of Guangzhou in the Guangdong province of China. It was the fourth metro system to be built in mainland China. It has 14 lines and 282 stations. It is also the third busiest metro in the world. So children, let's hope to get onto one of these metros as soon as Corona permits us. Thank you children. Have a great day ahead and make sure to wear a mask and stay safe.